Ever wondered how a star, the radiant celestial body that has fascinated mankind for eons, comes into being? Or perhaps the journey it embarks on from its birth to its eventual demise? Well, today we delve into the captivating chronicle of a star's life. A star's life begins in a nebula, a vast cloud of dust and gas. This nebula, largely composed of hydrogen, experiences a gravitational collapse at its center, which triggers the formation of a protostar. This protostar, a hot, dense mass, is the infant stage of a star, yet to shine brightly in the cosmos. As the protostar continues to gather mass from its surrounding nebula, it grows larger and hotter. When the temperature reaches a boiling 10 million degrees, nuclear fusion sparks into life at the protostar's core. This marks the birth of a star, now known as a main sequence star. This stage, where a star spends the majority of its life, could last from a few million to several billion years. But what happens when a star exhausts its nuclear fuel? It swells into a red giant, or, if it's particularly massive, a red supergiant. This phase sees the star expand, often engulfing nearby planets. Its outer layers cool and redden, and it shines 1,000 times brighter than before. The fate of a star post the red giant phase is determined by its mass. A star of lesser mass will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a hot core known as a white dwarf. Over billions of years, this white dwarf will cool and fade into a black dwarf, the final stage of a star's life. On the other hand, a star of greater mass will experience a supernova, a catastrophic explosion that can outshine an entire galaxy. The remnant of this supernova could either form a neutron star, or, if the star was massive enough, collapse into a black hole, a point in space with such strong gravitational pull that not even light can escape it. So, in a nutshell, a star's life begins in a nebula, transitions to a protostar, evolves into a main sequence star, expands into a red giant or supergiant, and concludes as a white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole. Each stage, dictated by the star's mass and the balance between gravity pulling in and pressure pushing out, contributes to the cosmic spectacle that is a star's life cycle. It's a fascinating journey, one that underscores the beauty and complexity of the universe we inhabit. A cycle of birth and death, of creation and destruction, played out over billions of years in the vast expanse of space. Thank you for joining us on this stellar journey. If you enjoyed this video and would like to explore more fascinating topics, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.